everyone. You might be wondering how I'm raising this many cats. There is a big, long story behind it. In the year 2014, during Christmas vacation, we visited our hometown and stayed there for a week or so. When we came back, we found that some weird noises are coming out from our kitchen cupboard. When we opened and saw a stray cat, which is known to us, littered a baby in one of our cupboards. That was the beginning. That was the beginning of new cat era in my life. The princess who was born is none other than the most popular cat of my channel called Betsy. Like this, each and every cat has its own story to tell you. Keep watching. Thank you. Thank you so much.